Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to allow auto clicker on a Mac. The auto clicker app that I am using is called Tap Auto, something like this. Let's look for auto click. I'm not sure what was the name for the app. Let's look for it here. As you see, this is the app, Tap Auto Clicker. This auto click app is for gaming, I think. Now, how to allow this app to auto click? Because if I try to run it, start clicking, it says allow auto app clicker to access to your computer control while you are using the app. How to give it this access? It's simple. Just click on this Apple icon from this corner, select system settings. First, you will land on this general page, scroll down to privacy and security. Then look for accessibility. This is it. Click on it, and you will see your auto clicker app waiting to give it access. So check this box next to it. Use your password to authenticate, and now if I start the auto click app, it will not ask. As you see, this is the area I gave it, and automatically it clicks on for me on a Mac. And this is how to allow auto clicker on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.